Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Florence, Forest, Kewaunee, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Menominee, Northern Marinette, Northern Oconto, Oneida, Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Southern Marinette, Southern Oconto, Velas, Wapaka, Washira, Winnebago and Wood. Wind chill warning in effect until noon Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a wind chill warning, which is in effect until noon Tuesday. The wind chill advisory is no longer in effect. Dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 40 below zero. The areas impacted include portions of central, east central, north central, and northeast Wisconsin. Timing, until noon Tuesday. Impacts: the dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and sustained wind speeds of 15 miles per hour or more will create dangerously low wind chill values. Frostbite can occur quickly and even hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Cover all exposed skin to prevent frostbite.